what I absolutely don't have time for, especially today, is challenges. But a challenge was set out. Picking up an egg with an excavator. Challenge was laid down by Mike Morgan, Outdoors with the Morgans. Beautiful family, frankly. Good, great channel, fantastic channel. He didn't call out my channel, which was a little hurtful. I know I'm a small channel, but he did call out anyone on YouTube with an excavator that does excavator videos, and that's me, I guess. With this Komatsu PC220 LC, it's about a 25-ton excavator. Those of you who are nitpicky on YouTube, you can look up the specs on the Komatsu 2200. You can correct me if I'm wrong. I don't care, frankly, because I don't have time for this. I have to work for a living. You know what I don't like? I don't like having to go home during the middle of the day, put on my best Polaris duds, apparel to some of you, put my favorite pistol on my hip, which is not my biggest pistol, for those of you who want to know. Grab a carton of eggs, and as I'm walking out the door, my wife asked me, "Where are you going in that crazy getup with a gun on your hip and a carton of eggs?" Sounds pretty silly. I'm going to an Eggxcavator challenge on YouTube, but that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to an excavator challenge. Can't even say the dang word. Because we don't like challenges, but we have to answer them. And I don't know how I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna give it a shot with this old girl behind me. Let's get set up for this party. I don't have the Defender Limited for my camera and tool caddy today. It's not street legal in New York, so I have to use my BMW M440i as a camera caddy. Some of you that don't like that, I don't care. Let's get the challenge in. That you had to, I think Mike Morgan started off that you had to pick up the egg with the excavator without cracking it. Andrew Camarada had it that you had to pick up the egg and move it from one bottle to the next without cracking it. Both of them were using thumbs. I'm just going to try to pick it up at first. And they had 3 tries. I'll try to stay within that rule. But since there's no prize if you win this contest, guess it doesn't matter what the rules are. So this is a New York egg. Best egg in the world, but it's thin-skinned like New Yorkers. Tough skin, but it's thin. So that makes this challenge for me extra hard using this behemoth, but we'll give it a shot. Wish me luck. in the bucket. That's not very good. That's a lose. Let's try it again. Judges tell me that's a lose. Let's try it one more time. 3 eggs. That was my 3rd egg. According to Mike Morgan's rules, I have 3 eggs to try to pick it up with my bucket, and I failed with a 2200 Komatsu. Tough break for me. Not happy, but life goes on, and I go back to work. I'm not upset. Frankly, this was a fun challenge. Mike, if you thought of it, that's okay. Andrew Camarado was the 2nd video I watched. Good fun. And I like the challenge. Joe Capper, giving you 3 days. Upload a video with the Bobcat E42 R2, trying to pick up an egg with it. And then after that, I got to pull my Bobcat out, see if I can pick it up with that. You're a much better operator. I'm sure you're going to succeed. For those of you joining the channel, this was all in good fun. It really actually was pretty fun. Crazy but fun. Thank you for tuning into my channel and the other channels. They're great guys. They do great videos. I'm the small kid on the block, and I enjoy watching their videos too. Forgot to mention Diesel Creek. I think Let's Dig was one of the people called out for the challenge. So this is all in good fun. Just trying to show people what we do and on our properties, and keep our minds in good health, and our bodies in my case. So thank you for watching this video. Let's check the blood. Can we check the blood while I'm holding an egg? I had a very small portion of spaghetti parm for lunch left over. Wow, really good. They cut my Trulicity down, and 102. That was about an hour and a half ago. 102, I'll take that. So Marauders, thank you for coming back to the channel and watching this video. If you ride motorsports, please wear a helmet for your protection and to set an example for others. If you have an excavator, please be careful in its operation. And this was all in good fun. I'm not mad I didn't win this competition. I don't get angry. Hope to see you on the trail. Thank you and God bless. I don't care, frankly, because I don't have time for this. I have to work for a living. But you know what I don't like? I don't like during the middle of the day having to go home, put on my best Polaris duds, apparel, put on my favorite gun on my hip, grab a carton of eggs, and having my wife ask me, where are you going in that getup with a gun on your hip and a carton of eggs? And I have to tell her I'm answering an Eggxcavator check. Can't even say the damn word.